add Firebase to your Flutter app, follow these steps. Create a Firebase project. Go to Firebase console. Visit the Firebase console. Add project. Click Add Project and follow the prompts to create a new Firebase project. Add Firebase to your Flutter app. Register app. In the Firebase console, click on the iOS or Android icon to register your app. Android. Enter your package name and optionally the SHA-1 key for authentication. iOS. Enter your iOS bundle ID. Download configuration files. Android. Download the Google Services.json file and place it in your Flutter project's Android app directory. iOS. Download the Google Service info.plist file and place it in the iOS runner directory. Add Firebase SDK to your Flutter app. Update dependencies. In your pubspec.yaml file, add the Firebase plugins you need. Example. Install packages. Run Flutter pubget to install the packages. Initialize Firebase in your app. Android. Ensure Google Services plugin is applied in Android Build Gradle and Android App Build Gradle. iOS. Ensure Cocoa Pod is installed and run pod install in the iOS directory. Initialize. In your Dart code, initialize Firebase in the main function.